when we talk about the preparation, the students always talk about books to refer, and usually it's like a pile of books that students would have in their houses because of the anxiousness that they might have. So, what books you would like to refer to the students, especially while they are amidst their already preparing for their examination for June attempt?
So I would say that referring to a book has both its pros and cons. The pro is that you get everything in one place. You don't have to surf to different places. So you have to test your own temperament. So I am someone who like to explore and understand through my own browsing and surfing, which is why my book list which I'll just be sharing was rather limited. I preferred reading up online and you making use of resources on YouTube or online that helped me develop an understanding on my own. So, as far as I am concerned, I refer to mainly three books. So, I refer to H.L. Ahuja for micro, Freud for macro, and Dominic Salvatore for international. Reason for picking these books was because I felt that they were very comprehensive. I would not have to go out and study the same topic from multiple sources because they covered it in such great coverage and depth. Other than this, for all the other subjects, I decided that I needed to develop an understanding of my own, and also because I felt that the other subjects were far more dynamic. So, because these topics are so dynamic, you cannot completely rely on the text or the given material from books which have been edited like years back. So, I made sure that I was reading tons of articles, I was watching YouTube videos, and whatever theory, for example, if I'm reading a growth and development theory, I would correlate it with the present situation of particularly India. How so? I remember in our classes also, and whenever I spoke to you or Sanat, so you would always mention, like for example, the applicability of Lewis theory to India. So I would try and do this on basis content that was available online, and I feel this is not something you can gain out of just a book. So there needs to be a balance between your static content and your own understanding derived out of online sources and the newspaper, definitely.